everyone, it's Jacob from Student Wellness, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make dried beans. Dried beans are a really great food item to learn how to make. One, because they're so cheap. I got this bag of black beans for like $2 at the grocery store. So it's a really cheap and inexpensive food. Secondly, beans are really good for you. They have lots of protein, lots of fiber, so they're gonna fill you up and keep you full throughout the day, making it a really great food to add to your diet. Okay, so I just grabbed some water because the thing you have to do with dried beans that you don't have to do with canned beans is you have to soak them. That's kind of the one negative about making dried beans is it's a little bit of a time-consuming process. So, you know, if you have a day when you have a lot of free time open, that's probably the best time to make dried beans. That means it's really great for meal prepping because you can, make them ahead of time and then portion them out throughout the week. But just letting you know, it does take a couple of hours, so, prepare for that. Well, I have here about 6 cups of water. 6 cups of water to 1 pound of dried beans is kind of the ratio that you're going to be looking for. And that's, for the soaking process. So I'm just going to dump these in here, put them in. And soaking is good for, it kind of absorbs into the beans to help them cook more evenly when you do end up cooking them, and it also reduces the cooking time. Which already can be a little bit long, so doing whatever you can to reduce the cooking time sounds like a good idea to me. So yeah, we are just gonna leave these beans in here for about 6 to 8 hours. So you can soak these the night before that you were planning on making them, or you can soak them in the morning if you're gonna make them later in the day. But yeah, I'll see y'all in 6 to 8 hours. Hello everyone. So it's been about 6-ish, a little bit over 6 hours that I've been letting these beans soak. As you can see, the water has turned pretty black. The beans themselves are about double in size, which is great. That means they've been soaking up a lot of that liquid. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into a colander. I'm going to drain all the liquid out, and then I'm also going to rinse the beans. Hi y'all, so as you can see here, I have put the beans with some fresh water into a pot on the stove. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to simmer these beans until they're, what we would consider to be like a normal tender bean consistency. Depending on the type of beans you're using, that can vary a lot. These black beans should take about an hour of simmering to get to that tender spot, but I know things like garbanzo beans and other type of beans can take, up to 3 hours. Hi y'all, so these have been sitting and simmering for about 20 minutes, and they're starting to get a little bit tender. Sorry, my dog is barking. So I'm gonna add some salt. Doesn't need to, be like an exact measurement. That was probably good, hopefully. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on cooking these until they are done. Check in on them every once in a while. Okay, so my beans have been cooking for about an hour-ish, a little less than that. So I'm going to drain them really quick. We have this beautiful assortment of beans. As you can see, I'm spilling all over the counter, and that's okay. I can just wipe it up. But our beans are looking really great. So yeah, I hope that you really enjoyed learning how to cook beans. It's super easy, super cost effective. Again, something that, if you're on a budget, can make work for you. Obviously, you can throw all types of different spices and aromatics and things into them. I was just kind of keeping it simple to teach you technique, but hopefully, you know, you enjoyed this and you'll be around for another little cooking video in the future. Have a great day.